What's up, YouTube? God damn, I can't even open my blinds. I'm that tired. I don't know what this video is gonna be on today. I hopefully I got some Trendy gear on the way that's supposed to be coming. And my cousin sent me, and my other two videos that I edited should be posted by then. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna start this video off fast. But it's gonna be a video today though. Trendy Game TV. We got a package in. And this, the Trendy stuff I was talking about earlier. Thanks, Mary. Press by royalty. Get at them if you need anything designed. I appreciate her. Let's do this. Get my mom.
Gang shit.
Well, Trendy Cam.
You know, Trendy Cam in the
Gang shit. Trendy days.
No, unboxing video. Even though it ain't a box.
It's a bag.
Unbagging video, face sad. This it. They don't put it in the notebook.
Oh,
It's a sticker.
Ooh, it's a sticker.
Okay, it's a
It's
sticker.
just a logo thing.
Oh, that's the logo.
This who.
Hey, look, we found it.
Shout out to Mary.
I said, Fido.
Thank you, Mary.
Yeah. This is. Oh, that's her stuff.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
We got shirts. We got
shirts.
man.
We got shirts. That bitch just caught my eye as soon as I seen it.
Hold on. Hold on.
Wait.
We gotta put
up.
Merch.
Hey, it's up.
Now you gotta get a different kind.
You gotta show them on her. Look at me.
Yo.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Orange, you got this.
You know it.
Oh yeah, but that's that guy.
Okay.
That's that guy.
Oh, snap. The trendy chicks. Okay.
Okay.
The trendy chicks. Oh,
We getting right. Okay.
Oh, they were right. Yeah.
We got the blue. One more boy.
Don't unfold. I don't know.
We ain't gonna unfold all of them, man. We just gonna let them see them guys.
For the stickers, that's what I'm looking for.
Oh, the stickers.
What's this scent?
We gotta get all of them out the bag. No stickers in it.
Back to the stickers.
Oh,
Did they keep my stickers?
did they take the stickers?
Did they keep my stickers?
Or are the stickers in there? In this little bag. There they go.
There you go.
There you go. And they sent the pouch.
Oh.
Trendy chick. It's a trendy chick pouch.
It's a whole lot of trendy stuff going on.
Oh man. Not even
Oh,
saying
snap.
it.
I
She
ain't
even
even
got
see that.
pins. Trendy pins.
Yeah, we got trendy pins.
Trendy
all that.
pins.
You know, they hating on this.
It's trendy gang. It's trendy gang.
Trendy gang.
All types of trendy
Oh,
pins.
there you go. Oh, she only made 2 of those. I mean, dang, that dope.
Oh,
we need
Dang,
to see that
that
one.
dope.
yeah. Come
We need to
shot.
see that one. Yeah, y'all gotta go shop with the trendy color.
Trendy co.
Okay.
Whole lot of trendy stuff going on.
Push up. Come
I'm
shot.
finna get, when I get back, I'm finna go skate really. My bro gotta go to work. But when I get back, I'm finna post them on my website. And hopefully I'm gonna put the link in my description in this video. Or not, I'm doing it in the next video. But just know, I told y'all I had trendy stuff on the way. Y'all ain't believe me.
We told them we had trendy stuff.
Got
Just
all
wait.
stuff
More
on
coming.
More
coming.
on the way.
More coming. Dang, this joint's so dope though. Appreciate it, Mary. Press by royalty. I love y'all. I appreciate all this. I might have to put on one of these trendy pins. I might put on one of these shirts right now, to be honest. This is all my stuff. yesterday when I was on YouTube, I started skating. Then I started chilling. And my chilling with me sleeping. So that's why I ain't show y'all nothing. But I been had the beanies in. The Trendy and Trendy Gold beanies. Like that. You know, I been had the hats, but I wasn't gonna sell the hats till I got my shirts. I got Trendy Chick, Trendy Co, and what's the other one? Well, this the Trendy Co caps and the Trendy Chick caps. And these, the Trendy Co with the skateboard logo. Just like them. Now my caps we gonna go for 15, and like the visors like these, they gonna go for 10, and these are 10, and my shirts are 15. Some of them I might do like two on for. Two on probably do like 10 for them if you get two on something like that. Right now I'm just figuring out my sizes so I can go and post them on my website. So I can put that link in the description for you guys. And, a whole lot of blue I picked up. It's burgundy. I might need that. Need that at burgundy. So small. That's small right there. These are nice colors too. She did good. Good colors. They got some Detroit. I'm sorry.
That's some good color though. That orange, I don't know, orange like that.
But I like this though.
Yeah.
Mark said he needed it being small though.
Yeah, that's what I'm when I started buying my shirt. No.
But why y'all niggas wear tight ass shirts?
Oh.
Niggas wear tight ass shirts.
Oh.
It was tight ass shirt. Oh.
Wear tight ass. I just wear shirts like that fit me really
Like,
like
y'all
this,
niggas
like that,
shirts
like
be
shirt like that, like I like size shirt.
Y'all
Hell
niggas
no.
shirt gotta be
Nah.
like this.
Not hell no. That shit dead. I wear shirt just like this. Oh yeah, that blue. I fuck with that blue.
I thought I'm wearing my shoes though. I had to look up. What's that?
Oh,
Oh,
They got the J's up there. They gonna match with the blue. Got the J's up there.
I like this. She should do some more of these.
Yeah. Just yeah. Regular solid colors.
Facts.
Okay.
Y'all already know what hell going on. Long live Trey.
That way.
God dang. This the most shirts I ever had in my life. Like, with my brand and with my name on it. I'm trendy, you feel me? So, all this is Trey. Trendy. Trey. You feel me? These niggas be jocking. Oh shit. Facts. I just never seen so many shirts in my life like this. Like my whole bed is filled up with this shit. Alright, YouTube. This is a whole different day. God dang. I'm finna go to work. I just threw this shirt on because I ain't having. But long live trade, that's the movement. You know, long live my partner trade. But yeah, this is with my first big unboxing Trendy package, like a real big Trendy package I'm putting on YouTube. I got a lot of stuff on the way. I still never finished my website. I be procrastinating a lot to y'all YouTube. I'm finna stop. But yeah, like and comment and subscribe to this video. If you're new to this channel, you know, tell me you new. I fool with everybody. I want y'all ideas. You give me ideas for my trendy shirts, my hats, my beanies, anything. You know what I'm saying? But y'all just hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Don't just view it and don't like it. But yeah, I'm Lil Trey. We out. I'm finna go to work.